Meaning of deform.
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 Deform. Deform refers to a change in the shape or appearance of an object or material, often caused by external forces or internal factors. This change can be permanent or temporary, and can vary in degree from slight to severe. The result of deformation can range from a subtle alteration in texture or form to a complete restructuring or destruction of the original object. This phenomenon is commonly observed in manufacturing processes, structural engineering, geology, and biology, among other fields. The study of deformation is essential for understanding the behavior and properties of materials and systems under different conditions.